It's Friday, February 20th, 2026, about 4:30, a little bit after p.m. I'm at UCSB Campus Point, parking lot number 6, against the cliff fence. Camera's about 45 feet up. That's Mesa Lane Beach on the left. 6.5 miles, background about 22.7 there, just past the point on the left there is La Conchita Beach. I think I forgot the temps. Air temp's about 59, water temp's about the same. Humidity's right at 50%. Really low water line right now still, but I can see the spot there. Couldn't see it at lunchtime. But there's still an inferior mirage below it, quite clearly. Nice and clear this afternoon. Supposed to warm up mid to late next week again, maybe up to close to 80 again. We'll see if that holds. Get on down to see the tree. So the fold line on the inferior mirage looks like basically right on the tree, right at the base there. On the left, 280 feet, and then 30.6 miles. Hogan on the right there is 17.8 miles. But it's still miraged as well. Lower just a bit. There's Houchin and Conejo Mountain in the background, 51 miles, 1,800 feet. Pesky Ridge all the way across there. Henry at 16.4 miles. Pesky Ridge right pretty much dead center below the North Peak of Saddle Peak. And the Pesky's about 50 miles plus, and then 900 to 1,000 feet. Saddle Peak in the background. I'll zoom in on it. It is 71.5 essentially at 2789 foot elevation. See if we can see Ballard Peak here. I think it's that round one right in the center. There's some features on that peak that on the left that kind of stick up the rock on that ridge to the left of the peak, and there's some other distinguishing features. I've looked it up online and looked at pictures, and that's why I think that's Ballard Peak or Ballard Mountain. Can't remember what they call it. There's Hill House, 14.6 miles. Platform A. Platform B. And C. So yeah, the sign on the walkway there, the crossbars I call them, is kind of showing there on the left corner, this side. It's probably miraged a little bit. Hard to say. Kind of looks like it is mirage a little bit there. I'll zip over here to Magoo Peak, 50 miles, 1,260 foot elevation. Still showing the rounding there on the right. Typical interior mirage upward refraction effect. Upper floor with the bush in front. I'm going to take that thing out of there at some point. Back across the Pasky. Lower 3. Zoom way in on the tree there. And the ridge, that grove of trees, it's about 320 feet at the base. Back up to Mesa. Not much change since 5 minutes ago. Okay.